Hey guys! So today we're going to be applying what we learned yesterday to our drawing of our name. All right, so yesterday we did some practice drawings of using 1-point perspective, first on a box and then on a block letter. And now we're going to apply that to the drawing that we did a couple days ago of our name in the graffiti style that we found from pictures online. So the first thing you need to do is pick a vanishing point. So I'm going to choose one. I'm going to choose one over here. And I'm going to change my color so that you can see the second step better. All right, so I'm going to start with this E over here, the one that's closest to the vanishing point. So again, we are connecting each corner that faces the vanishing point to the vanishing point. And if you're not sure if your corner is facing the vanishing point, essentially what that means is if you were to start drawing a line from that corner to the vanishing point, it would go through the background, right? If it just, like for example, this corner, if you connected this corner to the vanishing point, it would go right through the letter, right? So that means we don't need to use that corner. Only the ones that go through the background as they connect to the vanishing point. So I'm going to start by doing this one the way we did the others, right? Connecting them all the way to the vanishing point. And then I'm going to, after I do this E, I'm going to show you a trick for eliminating all these kind of extra lines. But it's good to, when you're starting out with 1-point perspective, it can be good to use these lines just as a tool to help you understand where the angles are going. All right, so I've got all my corners connected to my vanishing point. And now, let me change my color again so you see. So now I'm going to mimic these lines that I'm highlighting. Right, so these lines that are, again, the sides that are facing the vanishing point. Right, we're going to kind of copy those, make a parallel between the pink lines. And I always recommend you zoom in, right, when you have a small detail. Helps you get a better, more exact point. Okay, and now I can grab my eraser and erase these extra lines. So anything past that green line, I don't need. All right, so now I've got a 3D E. So let's try that with the G. So with this G, I'm going to show you this trick because I don't want to connect my corners to the vanishing point and draw all over the E that I just did. Right, and have to erase all that. So what I'm going to do is imagine I'm drawing that line, right? So the way I do it is I kind of draw the line without actually touching the screen or touching your pencil to the paper if you're on paper, right? So I just kind of draw an imaginary line using my finger to make sure I have the right angle. And then I press it down when I'm actually in the right place, right? When I'm just close to the letter. But that helps me get the right angle without drawing all over my paper. Okay, so I need those. I need, let's see, I need this corner, I need this corner, this one, and this one. Okay, so again, I'm just kind of hovering my finger over the screen as if I'm drawing that whole line. Then I only press my finger down when I get to the spot where I actually want it, near the letter. Okay. And again, I'm mimicking these edges of the letter that face the vanishing point. All right, so I'm making a parallel. And now I can erase. I've got a few little lines I can erase, but I don't have all that much because of that technique I showed you. But I do still have, because my that 3D part overlapped some of my E, I just erased some lines from the E that are now overlapped. But now I've got a 3D E and a 3D G, and I'm going to keep doing this for all of my letters. And then, once that is done, we will move on to coloring. Thank you so much.